Okay, first graders, here is my Fauve animal, and I'm going to continue with bright Fauve color collage elements in the background. So I just want to say, if you have this kind of paper, I don't know where I got this, but I had it in the house, any kind of bright color paper. It could also be construction paper. I believe this is origami paper, and the colors are really bright. So I just want you to mix and match the colors now. I'm putting this right over my lion's head, and I'm gonna peek to see the shape, because I wanna make the mane a little more vibrant, which means a little bit more, a little brighter. So I'm just kind of peeking. It doesn't have to be perfect, but I'm peeking and drawing, lifting, peeking, drawing, lifting, peeking, drawing. And then here is the roundness of his head. And I am going to cut this out. So what I want you to do on this part of the project is detail. You're adding detail in bright Fauve color. I don't think I'm going to show the line on this one. Notice how I'm cutting. I'm swiveling my scissor. Swivel, swivel. I go back and forth and curl and snip that middle to get it out. And this is the lion's mane. It's green. Whoever's heard of a green mane? Okay, let's see. Ooh, I made it a little smaller than I should have, but you get the idea. Let me see where it fits best. I think that's where it fits. I think that's where I peaked. I think you're gonna do a better job than I will. But that peeking and drawing and cutting is a good way to get the main shape of what you drew. Gluing this down, and then just, let's say, maybe it goes here. Okay. Okay, and then just with your scrap, you can do blades of grass, and I'm gonna do free cuts. Up, not all the way through, down, up, down, up, down. Not all the way through, and I could use 2 parts of these. You get 2 out of 1. Up, down. So you want to create a little environment for him. Now this is green grass, and that's kind of normal for grass, but I could find another color too. I just wanted to use my scrap. And you could have a sun, like maybe a purple sun. I won't finish the whole thing, but I'll take a still of it. Let's see, I'm looking for a nice bright Fauve color for the grass. How about red grass? Red grass is nice. I think I'm going to be covering up my name. You can do flowers. You could do a tree. Just make sure it's wild color. And one last thing, you'll see it in the still that when I say still, I mean just the finished project. I'm going to cover up my name and rewrite it. It's nice to do a frame in collage too, like a fauve wild colored frame with strips of paper. I just wanted to tell you that, and you'll see it in my finished work. Here's wild color grass. Very lumpy glue. You might see more things added to this later. I'm just going to put a sun in. Let's see, I'll do a wild, maybe a green sun. I don't know, these colors are beautiful. I do like this color sun. Circle, and you could do the rays a different color. Just very imaginative, wild color. You could do a tree. You could do two animals, not just one. You could have two in your picture. Let's see. These are rays to the sun, and they're just long triangles. I'm not even drawing them first. I'm just snipping triangles. I think you get the idea. Okay. This one got stuck. And even the face could be collaged over the marker drawing. I don't think I want it going on the body. You could go off the page if you want. All right. You'll see this has changed a bit in the still shot of it, but right now I'm going to hold it up to give you an idea of how you can start collaging the environment. Nice bright sun. One more. Really sticks to your fingers.